Lord, what a mess. So this house came with this lawnmower and a neighbor with a mini bike. It's kind of cool, but it's got those direct drive and it's not working. So I'm sure it needs a whole gear assembly, but I really would like to have it. You know, I'm kind of lazy. Got my postage stamp grass to mow. I got quite a bit. I got here, the side lawn, etc. But pushing is overrated. All right, this should be fun. Get this thing out of here. Maybe I get organized? No. How would I do that? Lost all those tools. Ladder, $50 on Marketplace. 16 foot. What a deal. This thing's like 180 plus. Imagine buying anything new these days, you know? The way things are going. Yes, it starts first pull too. Tuned up 626 21. 530 oil, it says. Alright, see if she does start first pull. Now that I said it. Yeah, that's the problem. It's engaging, but I think it didn't sound well. Not really sure how it works. Must be big gears in there. Oh, there we go. Maybe I don't even have to take this apart to see that there's no teeth left on this wheel. Are you kidding me? Plastic wheel? Oh my God, can you imagine this crap? Geez, maybe that's a good thing that it's plastic sprockets that drive this thing. I mean, you can't, there's nothing left to them. That's part of the wheel. It's supposed to be a gear-driven sprocket. You can see the sprocket back there. Oh yeah, it's just friggin' shredded. How long would that last? Plastic? Government plastic? I'll just have to get some new wheels. That's not bad. Thought I was going to be the whole gearbox and everything. Yeah, I mean, that sounds like it's going. All right. Amazon to the rescue. It's a Craftsman Gold. Nice. Not to be confused with Vice Grip Garage. Well, let's just verify those gears are spinning. Them up Amazon, 2-pack, $21. Yeah, but it did say 1/2-inch shaft, I assume. But I don't know, that looked a little small to me. So let's verify, and then we'll just to amuse ourselves. We'll look up like the local hardware store, Home Depot. Yeah, the more I think about it, they probably purposely wanted to strip out so you don't do damage to the whole machine. So, alright, I'll give you kudos for that there, Craftsman. Yeah, this is bore 1/2-inch. And that would be a lot bigger. This is 3/8, right? Well, call that a 3/8. So these are too big. This must be for the big boys. Let's see. One of these guys. 1/2-inch as well. What are they measuring? They're measuring the... Are they measuring... No. Maybe it's just, well, this has a bushing. I don't know. Let's find it. I guess the bore where the bushing sits is 1/2 inch. Is that what we talking about? And then I gotta measure these. I think they're 8 inch. 200 millimeters for you metrics. 8 inch. Oh, so these have like a bolt-in bushing. No, that ain't gonna work for us. Everything's 1/2 inch. Yeah, that must be measuring the bore of the wheel, not the shaft. What I really should be focusing on, is the wheel pattern. I really want them to match the back. And tread. I need some aggressive tread for this lawn. Some serious off-roading. Like those Jeeps you see on the road that are square wheels and very waxed, never seen dirt. This is why I love freaking stores nowadays. Home Depot, hey, like, oh, $22, that ain't bad. Shipped to store. They don't even have it in stock. Like, they have nothing on the shelves anymore. I was looking for a wallpaper steamer. Oh, we'd have to ship that to the store. And I bet that's just for one. It doesn't say anything about this being a pair. What happened to the world, man? What happened? Alright, I call it an 8 inch wheel. This dust cover, this is about, looks like 6. Yeah, 6 internal. What does that say? 6 1/5. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me measure. Yeah, that's, yep, 6 1/5. What the fuck is a 1/5? 1/5 of what? It's gonna work. Don't worry about it. The mouth on her. Anyway, yeah, be here tomorrow. Sunday delivery. Oh, that bird. Bird? Is that a chipmunk? Chipmunk talking to me? Am I in his spot? Oh, the doves left, by the way. The doves did their 2-week stint. They're nesting. I guess that's what they do, 2 weeks, and they fly the coop. Probably didn't help that we were pressure washing and staining the deck and stuff, but I miss them. You raise them and they just leave you. Ah! Guess what I can't find? The nut. The nut I took off of the wheel. I was sitting in the grass here, right? Oh. What happened to me? I never used to be like this. Just got so much on my mind. This house, I think. I just do stupid things. This is a magnet. I don't feel it in the grass. I rewound the video. It's not in the socket. It's right here. Also, I picked it up and brought it somewhere else. I like to get a tool. That's a chipmunk. He is talking. Oh, I found it. I found it. It was buried, but I got it. Thank God. Jeez. $36 for a wet dry vac? Yeah, I'll take it. And it's a shop vac brand name. Not my favorite restore place. But we need to clean it off. I think the motor's a little dirty too. It sounded a little noisy in the store, so nothing a little fresh air won't solve, right? I was wondering what that was. So I can put make it a blower. Is that what that does? It didn't fit this end though. Yeah, that's what it's saying. I gotta get some attachments for it. It's got the hose, that's good. Got a filter. It's clean inside. It's spotless. So, nice. What happens a lot of times with these, people don't read or know that you got to take this off for picking up wet stuff. So these usually get destroyed. I can't tell if this one is, but it's just foam. Should be able to get it wet, but we'll dry it out. Looks like they used it for dirt. Not so shabby. Yeah, let's had good suction. It just it sounded a little off to me. Yeah, it sounds a little tight. Yeah, 36 bucks. I get a week out of it. I'm happy. Correction. Foam sleeve is for a water pickup. This is supposed to be a disc filter. For dry pickup, use foam sleeve and a disc filter. Oh, this is probably one that's usually, yeah, that's right, like a paper filter under here. But I have to look it up, see if I can get one. I was gonna take it apart, see if I can lube it up better, but I'm just gonna run it. Just some rust up here. I bet this, no, I think it probably got wet is what happened. And that's why it's a little noisy. Hopefully it'll last. Cool. That makes more sense. That's the adapter, so you can use a smaller hose, which I do have inside. I like this. The bigger stuff's for shop stuff is what you need, I think. So yeah, I can use this as a blower too. Nice. That's what I was thinking it didn't do that, but nice. All right, good deal. I'm happy. Don't want it falling on me. Alright, let's see if we got the right $18 tires. I bet these are probably the same ones that it's on its second set, you think? Second set of Amazon specials? I think these are 3D printed? No, you'd see lines, I think. Let's try not to lose the nut today, Michael. Digging in the grass for it yesterday. It's got the same, they called half-inch bore, which is 3/8. Whatever. Apparently I don't know how to measure. Only they do. Oh yeah, that's way nicer. It feels like it's gonna do something. The hell's that? Oh, that's the spark plug socket. Must have fallen out. Best $18 I ever spent, I can tell you right now. One side will get the dry lube. How about that? What do I do with the old ones? Do I hold on to them? Hoard? Make something out of them? Wheelbarrow? Yeah, that might be a good idea. Might need something for the yard, you know? Now that I'm a homeowner. Got a special tool going. Unbelievable. Yeah, I'm gonna make something out of these. Somebody's having a party somewhere.